Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be installing a wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This is the body wave wig. I did bleach and pluck.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since '06 I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you below me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love has seen the way for me, I do the world I've seen her. We are nobody in Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the bold that they bar? That's all they need to shit out. And then I really put you too far. Midnight was gonna shit out.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm because I hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you're there by my side. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. But set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, every somebody done. Don't take my energy from your cardula. In my past, don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire, I go receive my ribbon. Flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para. I'm a mind digger. I go just stay. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your condo lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that
Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me?